welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to unbox Mercutio. And this is the very first release for 2025 of the Stablemate Club. I already know the mold, which is my favorite. I know it is the drum horse. A lot of people know it as Othello, but this is the Stablemate version. And I can't show the sides of the box. I got my address. Not that I'm hiding or anything. All right, here we go. Wow. Okay, he's the dapple. I know. I love these little pieces of plastic. As I get older and I have less money, I'm going to be buying these and not the big boys. Just have to figure out a way to display them. Very glossy. Okay. Hey, always have them out, and I don't here, so sorry about that. These boxes are so cute. Oh, really like this guy. I have cats, so I haven't figured out how to put these up without the cats knocking them over. So smooth. I don't see. Oh, he's got a little bit of pink. So we count the colors. She got 1, 2. Black is 3, 4, 5. That's a 5 color. I didn't overdo that, did I? So there's an undercoat. That's 1. The top coat is 2. Black. 3, 4. Hoof is 5. That's a 5-color stablemate. Isn't he lovely? Show the other side. The dapples are really light. You can just barely see them, but they're in there. So what is he, a dapple dun? Smoky dun. I think that's what he is, a smoky dun. Not buckskin because he doesn't have the line. Dark enough, but not quite the dorsal stripe. Wow, pretty. Oh. Yeah, his mold's one of my favorite. It just seems like he's just ready to offer you a hug. You know, you could just step right in there and he'd go, "Oh, it's so good to see you. Oh, it's so good to see you." That's why I like this guy. He's big and chunky, and he's got lots of hair. Would never be able to put any tack on him without slicing the tack up so it would fit. But he's just pretty as a halter horse. All right. Well, that's enough petting him, I guess. Oh, nice, nice, nice. All right. Well, thank you for spending a little time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell all your friends about the channel. Have yourself a really good day.